Number 8 is rar, which is b, the string b, plus boo. So b plus 4 gives you the string b4. So let's put that in. We'll put rar plus boo equals a string b4. Okay. Number 9, let's work back. Okay. It says let's start writing programs that control our variables. We're going to stop using the stickies, but we'll still highlight strings and numbers to help you remember the difference. So this is how it's written. I've got a variable named pal. Okay, I'm not really worried about the line number. Variable named pal. Okay, that's how you make sure, and we're going to use the baggy thing for this. This is where the baggy thing kind of comes in handy. So for right here, is signed, we have signed of a name, so we got a variable named pal. Okay, it's right here, sticky bag, a bag, no sticky, but is a bag named pal, a variable named pal, and then so this one says 3 is assigned to pal, so we're going to give the value of 3 and put it in pal. Okay, and now variables can only hold one sticky. There's already a sticky in there, throw it away, and we're going to put the new one in. So this one says 3 is assigned to pal. We did that. Now it's 5 assigned to pal. So throw the 3 away. We'll put the 5 in there. So pal is now holding a value of 5. Okay. Do this one right here. This is the same thing. So this works with two different variables. I've got a variable named pizza. 3 is assigned to pizza, so we're going to put a 3 in pizza. Okay. I know it says yum, but bear with me. This is where you could use your baggy if you needed to, your manipulative. You could pull one out, and we could name this pizza. Okay, and then we could put a 3 in pizza. Okay, and then it says we got a variable named tacos. Well, let's go make it. So we get Control C. Gives me another one. Let's see if I can do that again. Control C, and then paste. Basically copied, we got to paste it. So this one's called what? It's called tacos. Let's go back. Tacos. Okay, and then this one, we got a variable named tacos. Yum, the string yum goes in pizza. Well, we got to throw the 3 away. So throw this 3 away, and we're going to put a string yum in there. The last thing it told us to do is the best is in tacos. So we're going to go here and we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it. We'll drag it. Get it to bear with me here. Are the best, I believe is what it said. Oh no, just said the best. But anyways, if you need to see it, y'all could see it just like this. However, if you think you can do it in your head, do it in your head. So here we go. Let's complete the rest of it. Number 9 says evaluate the expression to get one value. Okay? So we got a variable named pal. We got a bag. Pal's the name. Pal is assigned 1 plus 2. Well, let's do the math on that. If we can do the math, we're going to do the math. So 3. So 3 is assigned in this one. 3 plus 4 is assigned to pal now. So 3 plus 4 is 7. We're going to throw the 3 away, put a 7 in. So for number 9, we're going to go pal equals, we'll say pal equals 3. We'll just say pal equals 7 because we'll put below it 3 plus 4. Okay. Okay, this last part gets a little bit trickier. So it says run this program. We've got a variable named Zoe. We've got a variable named Fly. They're both made right here. Fly, we've got 2 plus day. Put that in Fly. Say you can do that in here. You guys can do this part on your own if you need to. So we got Fly. The variable Fly needs to have the string today in it. Zoe needs 4 minus 1, needs 3 in it. Fly needs 3 times 3 in it. So throw what was in Fly away. Now it's 3 times 3, which is 9. Zoe needs 4 plus now in it. So 4 now. So these are your answers. Zoe is 4 now and Fly is 9. 4 now. Fly is 9. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. So we've got a variable named Kit. We're going to go Kit gets the value of 1. We've got a variable named Boo. Okay, they made it for you. Boo gets Kit plus 1. So they're not, you're going to go 1 plus 1 goes into Boo. So you got 2 right here. Kit is still 1. They're not linked. Remember, they're not linked. Kit is 5. Just because Kit changes the 5 doesn't change Boo. Okay? They're just changing as they go. So Kit is now 5. Boo still stayed exactly what it was because you didn't change it. So Kit's 5, Boo's 2. Kit's 5, Boo's 2. Okay? Last one, number 12, is probably the hardest one. See if you guys can do this one on your own. You guys, gives you the answer here. I want you guys to see if you can do this on your own and show me exactly what you guys can get as far as making this in your digital manipulative. If you guys need to put steps, put the steps. If you guys, y'all can probably figure this part out pretty easily. But you guys need to think through this. Don't just write the answer in. Here's the very last part. Define expression. An expression is they're operators and values that add to us that give you a single value. Okay, and I think that is. Let's go back up and find that. Yeah, a combination of operators and values that evaluates to a single value. Okay. Then define variable. You guys can go on here and find variable. The definition of a variable, it's something that holds. It's something that holds the value of something else. You guys remember in code.org where we saw the apps at the very beginning? You remember the first app that we saw? It needed to hold the value of the clicks for the pet rock so it could know how many clicks it needed. So it would go value of the rock plus 1 every time it clicked. And then when I bought the 2 clicks a time, then it would go value of the rock plus 2. The last one is define assignment operator. An assignment operator is something that adds or that's not it. Let's find exactly. Definition for operator. Okay. Let's go over these takeaways real fast. Numbers and strings are 2 different types of values. Expressions evaluate a single new value. When variables are in the expression, just make a copy. Don't change the actual variable. So remember, when variables are in my expression, so if I had x plus 2 is assigned to a variable, then I would just put that whole thing in. I wouldn't just try to do the math on that one. Variables are assigned a new value. So if I had 3 and it told me to change, I would put a 7 in, throw the 3 away. Evaluate first, then assign. So if I can do this math, then assign it after the math. Old values are deleted forever. Okay, the 3 would be gone, the 7 would be new. Assignment just moves new information around. It does not connect variables. This symbol that says assigned in coding is the same thing as this symbol, equals. In math, it means they're equals forever. In programming, it means put this value in this variable. Okay, and we'll see more of this on the next couple assignments. But the last one, define assignment operator. You guys can look up the actual definition or write it in your own terms. So assignment operator are the operators like plus, minus, and equals in the mathematical expressions that help you get to a single value. So make sure you guys turn this work in for your points, and hopefully that's a good start for you guys for the variables.